Hi, this is Christine Joyce Bolivar, and I will be doing a skill demonstration for basic computer literacy. And since we are in the advent of technology, teachers are expected to integrate technology in teaching, such as using a computer. And some of the applications that are frequently used are PowerPoint and Excel. Now I'll start by showing you how to make a PowerPoint presentation. So first, you need to go to the PowerPoint application, and then once you're in the application, you would see icons on the upper portion, which you need to be familiarized with, because that would help you in making your PowerPoint presentation. So let's start by choosing a design for your slide. So you need to look into the upper portion and look for the design button. And from there, you can choose which design you would like to use. So let's choose this one. Now, once you've already chose your design, you will now start putting words on your slide, which, since this is the first slide, you'll put the topic of your presentation. So here I'll put digestive system. So you see, once you've already encoded the words or your topic on the slide, from there you can also choose your font style and the font size. You can also add a subtitle on your first slide. So here, maybe I'll put in my name or your name if you will be the one to do the presentation. So that's it. You've already created the first slide of your PowerPoint presentation. Once you're done, of course, you will proceed in putting the next slides. So you can actually just click on the new slide on the upper portion, or just simply click on enter. See, the second slide, it's already popped up, and you can put in additional information about your topic, like parts of the digestive system. So of course, since you are presenting a topic that an image to see with, then you should also insert a picture. So you can click on the insert icon on the upper portion and look for the pictures button. And from there, you can look for the pictures that you have that you've already downloaded. So you see, you have now the picture of your digestive system. And if you're planning to not just put pictures or images on your PowerPoint, you can also put in multimedia resources like the videos and audios on your PowerPoint. So let's start by adding the table. You see, you can actually add a table on your PowerPoint presentation. You can also drag it where you want it to be positioned, and you can also choose what color you want to put in your presentation. So let's choose this one. So we can put in the parts like the mouth, and then the esophagus, and then the stomach, and so on. So you can also put the definition here where digestion starts. So that's it. From there, you can go on and add some additional information about your topic. And then once you are done with doing your PowerPoint presentation, just click on the file button and then click on save. So that's it. You've already saved your PowerPoint presentation. So put in your file name and then save. So that's it. That's how to make or to create your PowerPoint presentation. Now I'm going to show you how to make an automated grades for students using an Excel. Now let's start by going to the Excel application and then click on the blank workbook. And from here, you will see columns. Just put in the first column to names, and then let's put first quarter, second quarter, final grade, and their remarks. So let's say, for example, their names are, let's use A, B, C, D, and E. So we have the names of the students. Now you would have to encode their grades. So let's say it's 85, 87, 85, 89. So we have the grades of student A from first quarter to fourth quarter. Now it's time to get the final grade. So it would actually be easier for you to do this technique. So you highlight the grades from first to fourth quarter, from first until the final grade column. And then on the upper portion, you would see the auto sum icon. Click on the drop down button and you would see the option average. And the average will automatically be computed. And to make it easier for the next students, it would be easier for you to get the final grade for the next students if you would do this technique. So you highlight the final grade of student A until E, or you can just double click this small box here. Now it's already automatically, it will be automatically computed. So you just have to encode their grades and it will show you their final grade. So let's say student B has 84, 83, 82, and 81. And there you go. You have the final grade of student B, 82.5. So same goes to other students. Let's put 72 to student C, 76, 75, 71. And the final grade pops up automatically. And there you have it. You have already encoded the final grades by doing that technique, which would make it easier for you to get their final grade. Now, since you already have their final grade, it's now time to put in if the student has passed or failed. So from here, we would actually need to use if computation. So we will put in the equal sign and then the word if, and then open parentheses, then click on the final grade of the first student. Once you've already clicked that, type in greater than sign and then 75. So if it's greater than 75, it's passed. So after the 75 number, put in the comma and then this sign and then type in pass and then comma, then type in failed. Otherwise, it's failed. So the comma actually represents if it's less than 75, then it's failed. So failed, and then that's it. You've already automatically encoded the word passed or failed. So once you've had the first student computed, you can highlight the other students' remarks or just double click the small box on this cell, and yeah, you would see who passed and who failed. Now, since you've already encoded everything on your Excel, it's now time to beautify your work. So you can start by highlighting first the names, first quarter, second, third, fourth, final grade, and remarks. You can choose the color, fill in colors from here. You can choose whatever color you like this one. Then highlight the names of the student, fill in the color for whichever you like. Let's use this one. Then, so you see different colors on your work. And if you're still not satisfied, you can also put in the borders, click on the borders button, the drop down button on the upper portion, and look for all borders, and that's it. You have the color and the borders on your work. Now, we can also put in a conditional formatting for the remarks. If you want the past cell on the Excel to show green, you can click on this cell and then click on the conditional formatting on the upper portion. Look for highlight cell, look for the highlight cell rules and then text that contains. So you just have to type in the word passed, since this is the word that you need to appear green. So you can custom the number, the font, the border, but here we will custom the color to green since it's the word passed. Once we've chose the color, just click on OK, and you would see that it filled green on the cell. So just double click this small square And then you would see that the past words have already highlighted to color green, already encoded the automated grades for students from first quarter to fourth quarter. And then now you're ready to save your work. So that's how you create a work on using Excel.